Completing the application form. Once an application has been set up, the applicant will automatically receive an automated email containing their login details and a link to the Employment Check website to enable them to complete their online application. Logging in will take the applicant to the terms and conditions which they have to accept. On the left-hand menu, the candidate needs to select My Applications and select the action to complete the application. A frequently asked questions guidance page is also available via the menu on the left-hand side of the window. The name of the applicant as well as their employment details will already be entered. If these details are incorrect, the applicant should contact an administrator using the link in the details of the position which the disclosure has been requested section. The applicant should then proceed with completing the fields on the application. Mandatory fields are denoted with an asterisk. Holding your mouse over the tooltip icon will provide additional details to the information required. All of the key fields on the online application form are validated to prevent invalid data entry. Some common errors include selecting Mrs. as a title and not entering a previous surname, or not including the town or city at birth. The system will not allow the candidate to progress to the next stage of the application form if they have not completed any of the compulsory field information on the form. For ease of completion, the application form is split over 4 pages. Each completed page is saved. Applicants can navigate through these pages using the application tracker menu on the left-hand side and see at a glance what still needs to be completed. If an applicant has not submitted the required 5 years continuous address history, they will not be able to proceed through the application until they have done this. Overlaps are permitted, however, the system will pick up any gaps in the history. Once 5 years continuous address history has been provided, the applicant has the option to add additional addresses used in this period, for example, student addresses, or progress to the next stage of the application. If the applicant has made a mistake, they are able to edit and delete addresses as well as navigate to previous pages of the application form. After entering their address history, the applicant is then prompted to enter details of any previous surnames or forenames. Once the applicant has entered their previous names, this will preview below the entry fields. If an applicant does not have any previous names, they will be able to progress through to the last stage of the application. Once this application is completed, the final page of the application form allows the applicant to preview all of the information they have entered. If they notice there is an error on the form, they can navigate back to the screen with the incorrect information and amend it. The applicant must then indicate whether they have any convictions, cautions, or warnings, which would not be filtered, and confirm the declaration by applicant. Otherwise, they will not be able to submit the application. Once submitted, the applicant will receive an on-screen confirmation and email. If the applicant fails to submit that application form, an automated email reminder will be sent to them every 5 days, with a notification also sent to the ID verifier.